Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com, and today we're going to make a birthday card with the Celebrating You stamp set and the brilliant rainbow dies from the mini catalog. So I have a base of gorgeous grape and then a piece of the Subtles Designer Series paper stack cut 6 by 6, and I just cut that to fit the front, and using a piece of basic white for the inside of the card with one of those strips cut off from that 6 by 6 paper. So now I have more gorgeous grape, and I used the border rainbow dies, or these little arches, and I'm going to create a border for the focal point of the card. So I cut these a little bit longer than I needed because I have this piece of basic white that's embossed with the Splatters embossing folder, and I'm just using some glue along the two long edges, and then going to just apply those scallops there and try to make them as even as I can. You see there's excess, so all I have to do is trim off the edges, and there we have a nice border for that white piece. So now that's going to go the center front of the card. But let's look at these rainbow arches. These are cut from the ombre specialty paper from the annual catalog in these beautiful colors that it's a glimmer. It's like a glitter paper, but it's got a finish over it that makes it just shiny and sparkly. Okay, and so I'm just applying those 4 different colors that I die cut ahead of time and making that half rainbow arch there on that basic white piece. So now I'm going to apply that to the front of the card over that designer paper. And now we need a sentiment. So again, I'm using Celebrating You, and I measured my stamp to see how wide I needed a strip, and it's about 3/4 of an inch, I believe. But I'm just going to ink it in gorgeous grape, stamp the happy birthday, and angle those ends. And now I'm going to use Stampin' Dimensionals and pop that up, and that card's going to be finished except for a few iridescent rhinestones to jazz it up a bit. And there you have a really pretty birthday card you can send to someone. Okay, visit my website at InkandInspirations.com for the details for this card. And I hope you will subscribe and follow me on my social media channels, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.